Running a Cosmos node isn't what it used to be. Syncing blockchain nodes is becoming harder than ever. As chains grow, historical data becomes harder to access, and for Cosmos validators, syncing from Genesis is often impossible. Archival nodes rely on centralized snapshots, and syncing historical heights nearly impossible, unless you own terabytes of backups. That's where KSYNC comes in. KSYNC is your trustless, decentralized sync tool, pulling blocks and state sync snapshots directly from KYVE's data lake. Here's why KSYNC is a game changer. Block sync from Genesis to live height. State sync from historical heights, something never possible before. Height sync lets you jump to any block in minutes. What used to take days or special infrastructure now takes just minutes. No more waiting, no more centralized dependency. You don't need to run your own state sync infrastructure or full nodes anymore. KSYNC handles that for you, so you can focus on building, not maintaining. Validators deserve better than relying on fragile centralized solutions. With KSYNC, syncing is faster, cheaper, and completely trustless. Getting started is simple. First, you need to install KSYNC. Then you need to set up your chain. Once you have set up your chain, you can sync to the latest snapshot. Once this is done, you can start your node. Zooming out, KSYNC is just one part of KYVE's mission. KYVE is building the Web3 data lake, a decentralized, verified source of truth. No gatekeepers, no compromises. Just open, verified data forever. KSYNC empowers validators, and this is just the beginning. Ready to sync smarter, faster, and trustless? You are KYVE.